Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make easy crock pot chicken fajitas. So let's get started. Alright guys, so what you're going to need is some boneless chicken breast tenderloins, some seasoning. I use the chicken seasoning, garlic powder and Italian, and also some pepper and onion stir fry. You can use fresh peppers, it really doesn't matter, it still tastes the same. 1 fajita packet, and we use canola oil. And also you're going to need a crock pot. Alright guys, so I just cleaned my chicken, and my chicken is in my crock pot. So now I'm just going to put my peppers in. Alright, I'm going to put my seasoning on. This is my chicken first. And you can put as much seasoning as you would like. You don't want to make it too salty because the fajita seasoning is pretty strong. A lot of onion. All right, and 1 packet. All right, it's like a teaspoon of the canola oil, just so things won't stick to the bottom. That's it. So you're just gonna take a fork and just mix everything around before you get your crock pot started. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like before it's done. So just put our lid on. So we're gonna turn it to high. Oh, it's already on high. So we're gonna turn it to high for 3 hours. And right now it's pretty much 12 o'clock. So by 3 o'clock, my chicken should be done. So I'll let you know how it looks. Right, it's 3 o'clock now, guys. So it's time to get my fajitas. I'm gonna use 2 forks to shred my chicken.